Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about search fix or hot salt from muffin. Bubble up, you click on settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here is search about Bubble up. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.